Well, what we're looking to do in the community in Clinton County is create a culture change. And by that, what we mean is creating the opportunities for people to eat better foods and eat more of the better foods and less of the less desirable foods. What we found is people know what they should be eating, but if the opportunity doesn't present to make those choices, they will choose to eat things that aren't quite as healthy.
The Plattsburgh Farmers and Crafters Market here on Durkee Street is really about farmers, producers, growers coming together and being able to benefit the customers, the people in the Plattsburgh area. We offer so much. We offer, as you can see, the fresh vegetables, and you know what you're buying, you know what you're getting.
So what we're doing is creating opportunities where people live, work, and play.
Instead of serving white bread and rolls, we're serving whole wheat, whole grain breads, rolls, and also pasta. We're serving prepared salads on the serving line, which in the past we haven't offered that at all. We've merchandised our fresh fruit and vegetable program, whole apples, bananas, oranges on the serving line, which actually increased the participation of our meal program. We're moving in the direction of more high fiber foods, less salt in our foods, especially the foods we receive from the USDA. We purchase local produce from Praise in the area.
The health department came in and they did some training for us, gave us some ideas on different activities that we could do with the kids outside. They gave us equipment to use with the kids. They gave us a soccer goal, some new balls, some cones to play with outside. Since we've been involved with the health department, there's been a more emphasis on play and getting the kids more involved.
We implement a knapsack program, which is it's a nutrition and physical activity self-assessment. So they take a self-assessment of their center, and then we work with them on increasing physical activity. And one of the things that SUNY wanted to work on was portions. So one of the things we give them is these portion plates, and it shows the correct portions here. Half of their plate should be fruits and vegetables, and half should be whole grains and a low-fat protein. So SUNY is working on correct portions, and it also saves them money because if they're serving large portions, then that's more that the children are eating.
The nationally known CATCH program has been implemented in several area after-school programs. Non-competitive, inclusive play sets the stage to keep all students active and eating well. Evidence of the lack of physical activity is seen across the country, this state, and here in Clinton County every day. In 2008, data showed that 33% of adults in Clinton County are obese. These numbers continue to rise. This risk factor alone results in high levels of chronic disease and adds to the burden of increased healthcare costs for all of us to treat individuals with obesity-related illness. Changes in our community to increase opportunities for physical activity for residents of all ages are also taking place. There are several walking and biking trails in the city of Plattsburgh, like the Healthy Lung Trail along Cumberland Avenue, the Karen Fleury Bike Path, Peace Park along the banks of Lake Champlain, and the new Saranac River Trail, which will wind its way 1.2 miles through the city, along parts of the scenic Saranac River. Other community trails are proposed and are in the early development stages. The village of Peru will soon establish a walking and biking trail in an area that was once home to apartment buildings, along the Little Ausable River in the heart of the village of Peru. We have choices to make. We can choose health, and we can make that choice now, not only for ourselves, but for everyone, by supporting change in nutrition and physical activity policy throughout our community, in our schools, in our work sites, and most important, in our families. Join us as we map our way to a healthier Clinton County.